Hey guys, I've got a 2009 Chrysler 300 here. I'm going to show you how to change your turn signals, your backup bulb, and your brake lights. And I'm also going to point out to you the third brake light as well. Real quick, that third brake light, there's no bulb there. It's actually an LED assembly. So you cannot just change the bulb, you have to change that entire assembly. Now, as far as accessing these, the first step for you is to unscrew this piece here. This retains the little carpeted backing piece here, and then it folds out of the way. Your next step is to remove this red safety clip here. The best way I've found to get that done is just poke it out with a flathead screwdriver or a pick. And you'll want to retain this because you want to reinstall it later. That's a safety piece that is designed to prevent the connector from accidentally getting disconnected. Once that piece is out, you can then push on the tab here and pull the connector away. With this disconnected, there should be two more plastic pieces for you to unscrew. There's one right here. And there should be another one up here at the top. With all of those pieces removed, the assembly is loose. So if you are doing this on a hill, as you remove the last plastic piece, you'll want to be up against this to prevent it from falling out onto the concrete or the ground. And with the whole assembly out, it's very simple to access the four bulbs. You just grab one, rotate it counterclockwise, and it comes out. All of these bulbs are 3157, with the exception of your turn signal bulb, this one here. Your turn signal bulb is an amber bulb, and it is a 3457 amber. So yeah, once you've finished changing all the bulbs, and one thing I want to mention too, you may want to inspect the contacts on the connector here. Sometimes they can get burnt or corroded. And once you've gotten all this out, installation is pretty much the opposite of removal. So you pop this back in, and you'll want to go ahead and thread in one of these plastic pieces just to keep it from falling out. Connect it back up. This orange piece will only go back in one way. Make sure it pops in all the way, and then you just button it up. So yeah, I hope this info was helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, any advice for changing your rear bulbs on your Chrysler 300.